How to change phone number on Amazon account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your phone number on your Amazon account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change your phone number on Amazon account, just log into the Amazon application over here, then tap on this profile icon. Then once you tap on the profile icon here, go to the option called your account from the very top of the screen, and then once you tap on your account, under account settings you'll find login and security. Just tap on login and security, and basically once you go ahead and then select login and security, verify with your face ID, and then once you've verified with your face ID, you'll be taken to this page where you can see your phone number right over here. So you can simply tap on the edit button, and once you tap on edit, just enter the new phone number that you want to use. Then just tap on the continue button. It will send a verification code to this number. Once it sends a verification code, just verify the OTP code. In my case, this number is logged in on my other phone. So once you enter the new verification code and enter them, your phone number will be successfully changed on Amazon. That's all it takes to change your phone number on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.